My shit.
Hello, tout le monde. Hello, everyone. It is Alicia Cesar here reporting for the Haitian Times. I mean, what a beautiful day, but most importantly, what a special day as we are kicking off our first annual Banboch Kreyol Festival here in New York. So stay tuned for exclusive interviews, live performances, de class live. We have more performances and a special dedication to the late Mika Ben. So stay tuned. Everybody, I am standing with the wonderful
Sheila Anozier.
Sheila, I mean, let's just demonstrate what's going on behind us here. And can you talk about your brand, the name, inform us on what you're doing for the Haitian community?
Absolutely, yes. Name is Vernon Boulevard 3, VB3 for short.
I like that. It's like a ring, VB3.
VB3. So we make t-shirts that uses language.
And if you can actually get some of the t-shirts here, I see Sac Passe, Naboule. What was the inspiration behind your work?
Yeah, so I'm an artist, and so my drawings are also put on there so to represent the Haitian culture.
Right.
And I've always hated the way that Haiti had been presented in the news and how people perceived us, and I wanted to do something
uplift
the culture.
Being here with the Haitian Times is their first annual event.
Yes.
I mean, how do you feel? How does that make you feel to stand and represent your work here today?
I think it's amazing.
Fantastic.
No, it is fantastic.
It's fantastic.
Now, where can people find you? What's your Instagram? What's your contact? Promote your business today.
Okay, so on Instagram, we are VB3_1804.
Yeah.
We're on TikTok, VB31804. We're on Facebook, VB31804. And you can also look us up on my website, which is SheilaAnozier.com.
Okay.
And you'll find the VB3 tag there also. And I'm here with my brothers, Jimmy and Enoch, who are the co-owners.
Wait. It's a family affair.
That's right.
Well, you heard it best. I mean, VB3 forever.
There were many other vendors who were able to display their work, such as Dimitri Bollier, whose painting caught the eyes of many, including mine. He was able to explain that the inspiration of this painting came from the Haitian life of celebrating, dancing, what he calls the bon la la. Now, Simone Desvalier discussed her role with helping those in the need of Medicare, and Sonny Bellafome discussed the importance of the new generation shaping Haitian culture.